You see my son? His name is Samuel.
Can you be my mom?
Yes.
Can you adopt my brothers and sisters too?
Yes.
Can you? Hey boys, she can adopt us!
You should learn to play the RPG instead of running around hitting people upside the head with a hammer.
Almighty puss.
If I'm not getting out here, you're not. Oh, there's another. The door. Oh! What? What was that? No, wait! What? Stop! Stop! What was that? I can't believe this.
I'll throw this guy's. Here, your skull is a new basket. Oh, lightsaber. Wait, what does this do? Hey, no more enjoying your life. This is. Stop! My eyes! Oh, you can actually hit people. Smack you, woman. You!